could, yes, we make love and always just say goodnight.
Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. So today we're going to be doing a different kind of video. I'm going to be actually trying on the glasses. If you are unaware, I do wear contacts and they are prescribed. So I do need glasses to see. I do need contacts to see. So I'm so excited about doing this video because I need glasses. My glasses were stepped on, broken. I glued them back together, but now I have an extra couple of pair to wear. I like this about these glasses because if you can't afford insurance or you need new glasses, they are very affordable, very cheap, and then you can get your prescription if you need them. If you don't need them and you just need plain old clear glasses, you can also get them just for, you know, style. And then also if you wear sunglasses, you can also get those prescribed as well. So this is going to be the box. It is from VOOGLAM. This is where the glasses are going to come from. So they did come in this pretty little orange box. They did send me 5 pairs to try on, so we're gonna see together how these glasses do look. I currently have my contacts in now because I cannot see. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. So you're gonna get your glasses. They're gonna come in this case. It does have their logo right here, and it says "Born to be Unique." Then when you pull it out, it does have this little satin like wipe on it, and then it also has their logo right here on the bottom as well, and it also has the glasses. So these are going to be the first pair, and then they're wrapped in the saran wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my contacts, and then we'll go ahead and get into these. So this first pair that I am wearing, it says it is the Anasia. I will put that on the screen, but it says that these are going to be $6.95. They are on sale right now, and I do have the color olive. This glasses does come in different colors as well. They do have quite a few in this style. So these are what the glasses look like. These are what the glasses look like. So these are actually freaking cute. These are real cute. These are not something that I would pick out, but they actually are like really cute. With these lenses, you can see like very clear. Like it looks very clear. So I feel like they got my prescription right. Everything looks good. Like it looks really clear. I do like that. This lens doesn't feel like flimsy, like it's gonna break or anything. It doesn't feel cheap, so that's a plus also. I think these are really pretty. Like it goes for my complexion, like the olive color, and then the top is just, it gives it like a lot of style. So these are super pretty. This is the first pair. I do have a total of 5. So yeah, so this is what this one is looking like. Like I said, I will leave the name right here on the screen and how much it did cost. These are $6.95. Like wow, these are cute. So cute. Like so this next pair is gonna be Declan. It is their Dusty Slash Pink, and it is $26.99. So these are going to be the glasses up close. So these are really pretty. And then it's just going to be the side. Once again, these don't feel like cheap at all. So yeah. And I'm trying to look in my mirror to see. These are cute. I love the color of the frames, like the transition. I like the shape of the glasses on my eyes also. Like, it looks really pretty. So yeah, so this is what it is looking like. Like, these are cute too. So these are gonna be the next glasses. So this has this print all over, and then the inside is just going to be black. This one, the sides, they do feel a little bit, they're not as strong as the other ones, so they do feel a little bit more flimsy. So these I would be careful with because they don't feel as high quality as the other ones. I'm not seeing the name of this lens on the site, but if I do find it, like I said, I'll put it down on the screen and I'll put how much it is. Also, I do want to note that I am giving a price of just the frame. So if you need prescription, I think it's an extra $5. They also have where you can get the blue light, like if you use a lot of computers, electronics and all that. And I think that one was an extra $14, I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so let's go ahead and try these on. So these I thought I wasn't going to like, but they actually are like super cute. I kind of feel like I would want these just a little bit wider for my face because I do have a fatter face, but other than that, like, I like them. They are so cute, and I feel like you can wear these with a lot of stuff. Like, these are cute. They give me a different world kind of glass, or no, living single. They give me living single vibes. So yeah, so these are what these look like. Super cute. So these are your next one. These are just your classic Roulette glasses. It says that these are the style Charissa. They are on sale for $14.99. So once again, they are just plain black glasses. So these are okay. I don't know how I feel about them. They're cute, but they're okay. They're not bad. But these are what these look like. So and these glasses are actually called Nayla. They look like Clarissa. Clarissa is this square box, but these are Nayla. They are both the same price though. So these are the last pair. These are called Fredia. So this is what they look like. I love the detail on these glasses. Like, the detailing is so pretty. So pretty. On the site it is showing $14.99. So these is what these look like on. I think these are my freaking favorites. Like, these are so freaking pretty. They're like the bulky kind of glasses, and then they have like this gold around, and I love that about these glasses. And I love the color of the glasses. Just goes to my complexion so good, and it just gives me cute geeky vibes. Like, I freaking love these the most out of all those glasses. So yeah, that is what these are looking like. Yeah, these right here are going to be my favorites. Love, love, love the style on these glasses. So that is gonna be it for this review. Thank you to Vogue Me for sending me out these lenses to review. I really do appreciate it, because now I have 5 pair of glasses to put on and choose to wear instead of wearing one pair. Like, I can have some style and, you know, kind of mix and match them up, and it has my prescription, so I'm able to see and everything like that. And me, I love to wear glasses throughout the day instead of wearing contacts. I like to switch it up, so that helps my eyes. So I really do appreciate them for sending me out these glasses to review. And like, yes, these are my favorite ones out of the bunch. And then my second ones would be these right here. So these right here would be my second ones. So yeah, so thank you to them for sending me out these glasses to review. So let me know which ones that you like, or if you shopped on this site before, which glasses did you buy, because I'm on there and I see some other ones that I do want, so I'm going to go ahead and purchase those. Let me know which glasses that you did purchase, or if you have a head shape like mine, so which ones you think look good or got, or whatever it is. Let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video.